Now let's listen to India's first man in space, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, who in 1984 spent a record 8 days in space aboard a Soviet aircraft. And let's also listen to U.R. Rao, former ISRO chairman, who was responsible for many of India's first satellites, including Aryabhatta and Rohini.
It's the beginning of the exploration era, and it really tells the world that ISRO has now sort of come of age. What it really opens up, I think, is a whole new career option for youngsters. I think this is where we can expect kids to look beyond IT, and it's a very lucky generation because within their lifetimes they're going to be exploring space.
It is an important step for us because we have for the first time got out of our own cradle and got into space. For the common man, we are sort of trying to show, look, there are far more things than what we have, the day-to-day mundane things. And for the children of the country, I think this must be a great sense of pride and an excitement, because after all, it rekindles their interest in science and exploration.
The successful launch of Chandrayaan has earned kudos for Indian scientists, and school children across the country are expectedly delighted. Here's a report.
The near-perfect launch of Chandrayaan has children across the country truly over the moon.
Congratulations to all the scientists who have been part of this.
22nd October will be another 15th August, another Independence Day.
From being on the cartographer's map, India has now launched itself on the astronomer's map.
It's a very proud moment for all Indians.
It is a day of India's scientific and technological independence.
Now we don't have to look to NASA or the Russian center. We can start from our own country, and that makes us even more proud.
Dwindling interest in the sciences, says who? It looks like we have a generation of scientists in waiting.
Are you now excited that you all are going to be astronauts someday, maybe in our own country? Right?
Surely, an astronaut. That's what I'm going to be after this.
We're like all aspiring rocket scientists out here. It's been my ambition to land on moon and to go to space.
This has been fueled by the launch of this. I hope the efforts will be successful.
Now that's echoing the sentiments of the entire country. With Bureau Inputs in New Delhi, Mansi Sharma.
So those children are rejoicing, but there are others who seem to be sleeping through their science classes.
Do you have any idea what the Chandrayaan mission is?
No, I don't. No.
First unmanned person from India to go to satellite.
The first Indian mission to moon to send man to moon.
Who was the first Indian to go into space? Do you know that? I don't know.
Kalpana Chawla. Space, Kalpana, I don't know. Has to be Kalpana Chawla.
Rakesh Chandrayaan.
Oh, Rakesh Sharma.
Rajesh Pilot, I think.
Rajesh Pilot there being stated as by one of the students as the first man in space. Well, Mission Moon successful. Has India failed to popularize science? Judging from those answers, clearly there has been some failure there. What are you telling us? In fact, at the start of the show, 71% are saying yes, 29% are saying no. So majority, they're saying India has failed to popularize science. On that point, let's get into Crossfire.